and I cannot be saved. Maybe that's because I'm on the way. Together down and thrown in the fire.
Hi fellas, how are you today? Are you okay? I really hope so. Today we are going to make some cracking lessons. Okay, I'm using the crackinglessons.com, getting the crack me #1 to have fun with the code. We are using the code the x64dbg. Okay, you can Google it and download it. There's nothing much to say about, to talk about, and I have downloaded the crack me one here, and we need to find out the serial key. Okay, otherwise it's giving us the wrong serial key. Okay, coded by cracking lessons, and there is it. We are going to crack it with the x64dbg. Okay, let's open it. Open the file, the crack me, and now with the run we are going to access the initial and entry points. Okay, in all the program, when you run, you get the initial. It's the value it's received on the handle access memory in the program. So after that we can use the shortcut, the shift D, but what I mean, we are going to search the module and strict reference in current regions. There is it. That's the strings we have solved before, like the sorry and the wrong serial key. Try again, but we have something here that's probably the serial key, and congrats, well done. If I just copied the program, it's already cracked. Okay, but it's cracked for me. I can't share this program like that because not everyone know how to use it. The program x64dbg. Okay, and not all the programs it's about the cracking the serial key. That's some another vulnerabilities to explore, but in that case it's the serial key. Okay, let's check the cracking lessons. Let's save it. Cracking lessons. Let's try if that's the correctly one. I'm gonna stop it and run the program correctly. There's it, done. But we are going to crack the program. Okay, that's the purpose of here. Let's run it again, and with the shift D we are accessing what I just saw to you guys. Let's take a look at that endpoint. Clicking twice we can save this line. Let's run the program. There is it. I'm passing the password correctly. It's come here, and I don't know if you saw it, but it was enable the jumpy, and now it's not. It's going to pass through here. Take the congress and well done, and we can see the EAX. It's all the 0 numbers here. So let's run it. Run. After the call I'm gonna receive the message, congrats, well done. There is it. Let's run it again. Let's try with wrong password. You can see the GNE jump is taken. Now the program will jump and we can't access the congrats and well done. And the EAX, it's the full with F mode, okay, in hex. It means -1 in assemble, so we need to keep it with the 0, and that's here, the push is 0. Here it's the comparison of the cracking with my pass, okay, and when I pass something wrong, the push turns the -1 and not the 0 like we just saw before. So we need to convert it. So what we're gonna do, we need to create we need to ignore this jump is taken, and when it's correctly, it's not able, okay, it's enable, and the code run inside here, and we take the program cracked. Otherwise it's gonna jump to here and say sorry, wrong serial. It's calling the string, giving the value push, and in the call it's calling the values to the text box. What we're gonna do here, and then we are going to click in binary and fill with nopes. There is it. And now we are going to change the value to don't get the push EAX with the full F -1, the meaning. So we can do that with the shore. That let's see some images here to try to explain what I'm trying to say to you guys. You can see the shore, if the value is equal, it returns 0, and if it's different, it returns 1. Okay, so in that case we have all the values equal. It's F. So if I make a comparison with the EAX and the shore, it's gonna give me, returning me the 0, and that is what we want to. We want to change the EAX to 0 to take the congrats well done. So I'm giving the NOP here already. It's the meaning, it's an operation. We just break the GNE, the jumper, and now if we don't have this comparison and not the push values, that would be enough to crack the program. But how the push and the comparison give us the EAX -1, this program, it's not completely broken. Then we need to alter that with the shore, okay, and we use the space here, and I type shore the EAX. What I'm doing, I'm converting all the same values to the 0, so the EAX here you will turn to 0. That's what I'm doing. So if let's run it again, run here, empty value. Now Control 9, enter, space, shore, EAX, enter. There is it. Let's run. You see the EAX turned all the 0. Jump. Now it's calling the box. Jump. There is it. Congrats, well done. We cracked the program. So now we know it's completely correctly. We can come here in the save path file, save, and cracked.exe, and we have saved the cracked program here. Now I'm going to access the cracked one. I won't type nothing here, just click check and it's cracked. Now if I share this cracked program, it's correctly cracked and everyone are going to use it cracked. But the intention here, it's not to make it in the illegal way, okay? Like the program, the website say either learn how to crack software legally, okay? That's a lesson to understand how the crackers do with the program. So if you are improving some software on programs, you can take a look how to crack it and make some configuration to keep it more hard to crack, but it wouldn't be impossible. You must know that, because when you access the assemble mode, you can change everything there. It's like they usually says, if you know and understand assemble mode, everything it's open source to you. There is it, fellas. I hope you have enjoyed. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Ta-ta for now.